Imagine building a home in just a few days, with minimal waste and at a fraction of the cost of traditional construction. Sounds too good to be true. Well, 3D printed homes might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. Let's dive in and see if 3D printed homes are the future of housing or just another passing trend. 3D printing and construction is revolutionizing the way homes are built. Using large-scale 3D printers, builders can create homes with layers of material like concrete or special composites, all guided by a digital design. One of the biggest advantages of 3D printing is speed. Traditional home construction can take months, but a 3D printed home can be completed in just a few days, saving time and labor costs. 3D printed homes are also more affordable. By cutting down on labor costs and material waste, these homes can cost up to 30 to 50% less than traditional houses to build. Another major benefit is sustainability. Traditional construction creates a lot of waste, but 3D printing uses exactly the amount of material needed, reducing waste and environmental impact. One of the most exciting applications of 3D printed homes is in disaster relief. After natural disasters, where homes are destroyed, 3D printing can quickly create affordable, durable homes for people in need. 3D printing also offers incredible design flexibility. Unlike traditional methods, which can be limited by tools and materials, 3D printers can create intricate, customized designs that are both functional and aesthetically unique. In places like Mexico, the Netherlands, and the United States, companies are using 3D printing to create affordable housing for low-income communities. These homes are not only cheap to build, but also highly durable. While 3D printing is impressive, there are some challenges. The materials used, like concrete or specialized composites, still have limitations. We're not yet able to print with all the materials needed for a full range of construction. Another hurdle is regulations. In many places, building codes and regulations aren't fully adapted to 3D printed homes, meaning there are still legal barriers to overcome before they can be built at scale. Public perception is also a challenge. Many people still view 3D printed homes as experimental or unproven. Convincing the public and investors that these homes are safe and reliable is key to their widespread adoption. Despite these challenges, the future looks bright. As technology advances, the materials improve, regulations evolve, and public perception changes. 3D printed homes could become a mainstream solution to the global housing crisis. Do you think 3D printed homes are the future of housing, or is it just hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends to spread the word about this exciting innovation in construction. Thanks for watching. The world of construction is changing, and 3D printed homes are at the forefront of that change. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of building and technology.